It feels so weird to be filming in a different setup. I don't know what the lighting is going to be like and everything, but welcome back to another video. I've got Layla just strolling in like no tomorrow. You're right, Bubby? There she is. This is Layla. You guys probably haven't really... There she is. So, today's video, I'm just doing the intro whilst... Whoa. Calm down, Sam. Let's start again. Right. Today I am doing a... I don't know what this line is going to be like. This is going to be my first sort of dummy run because I have another video that I'll be doing sometime after this, but I'm just trying to set myself up. But yeah, let's just jump into the video. Priceline had 50% off cosmetics. I got some makeup from that, and let's just do the video. So I'm going to go with my Napoleon Purdas Autopilot. That reflection, can't help it. Just because I think my skin is a little bit, needs to be clean. A little bit needs to be clean. I don't know how this zoom is and all that. We'll work around that. As I said, first video, dummy run. Well, I only got one primer. I got the Master Prime by Maybelline. I really wanted the mattifying one, but like the three price lines I went to had sold out, so we're just gonna have to make do with this one. And once again, I need to learn to take the stuff off before. It's just a clear sort of liquid. Is it? I don't know, I get really like, not nervous using drugstore primers, but I'm not really I get a bit worried about using them because I'm like, are they good? Oh, and it's raining now, isn't that great? So, what's been happening? Alex and I moved out together, yay! I looked at when I last uploaded, that was Easter weekend, so that was, let's not say count how many months, but that was ages ago. And if you still subscribe to my channel after those many months, thank you. You deserve a medal. Because I would not put up with that. Right, so I have got 4 foundations, as if I'm going to use all 4 in this video. Right, I have got to try, well, I already have tried the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour. I just had it in my tan colour. So I've got the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse, which I think has been discontinued. So I've got the Revlon Full Cover Foundation and the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm not sure which one to use. I haven't used Revlon for a while. Let's use the Revlon one. Please don't be open. You won't believe it, but I picked up one of the Maybelline, this color is really hard to find. This is Dreamer. I picked it up and I had it in the thing and I was like, it's the last one, yay! It had been twisted and opened. I was like, oh, that really bums me out because I had to put it back. I'm not gonna trust that someone hasn't used that on their lips or whatever. I just feel like hydrating primers are just gonna slide my, well, it's a bit moussey, my foundation around. So it says full cover. Now I'm not really a full coverage sort of person. I think I colour matched it quite well. Just add a little bit more to my chin because I'm breaking out there. I'm currently trying a new skincare, well not new skincare, but I'm currently changing my skincare. I'm trying the Dermalogica Clear Start or Clean Start. I think it's Clear Start. I'm just trying that out because I needed to change my skincare. It just, whatever, like, I just got to the point where I was like, I'll just get this because it's on special, and like, it just was not working and my skin, like, is breaking out here. My T-zone, I always have naturally oily skin anyway, but it was just getting beyond a joke. I hope I got the right brow one. I got the Maybelline, these are the new Total Temptation 310 medium brown. I hope it's not too dark. This is a very weird shape. Oh God. Don't know how I feel about the shape of this product. I always thought my right eyebrow was my best one, but it's actually my left. I actually quite like that. Just not a fan of the shape of it, but the product is really nice. And that didn't take me that long. Use my Essence Make Me Brow. Oh, I didn't see if they had any of these on half price. Probably because I didn't need any. So I got the Maybelline Burgundy Bar. I'm a bit late to the bad way to try this, but I'm not like a huge fan of drugs. Like, I don't want to say like I'm not a huge fan, but I really tend to not use drugstore eyeshadows because sometimes I feel like they're like patchy, and sometimes you can get some really good ones. But then I love ChiChi, and that's drugstore, so I don't know, I'm just very skeptical about trying new eyeshadows. Let's leave it at that. The Burgundy Bar, I really probably don't need to go through it much with you guys because you've seen it all around the internet, and they don't have names. I'm going to be taking this colour right here and then probably moving on to this colour, and don't know what I'm putting on the lid. Let's use this colour, and I'm just going to put that on the lid with my finger because I know the pigment's like pretty much there. Hello, there's no mirror. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow, the metallics in this palette. Oh, amazing. And then just going to pick it up with a flat brush just so I can neaten up. God, the pigment. Here I am thinking about the L'Oreal True Match Concealer, but I got my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm not going to use this one because I'm just going to use my Rimmel one. I didn't really get a new concealer, I'm sorry. And then because I'm lazy, I'm just going to use my foundation brush. And to set that down, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Fix. I really want to try the Fit Me one, but Australia still doesn't have it in stock. Or well, Perth doesn't. Going to take that burgundy colour. I'm going to take this colour right here for my inner corner. Set my face, just going to use my Australis Fresh and Flawless. I am scraping it. I didn't get a new one because I know I have a backup down there. And if the lighting keeps changing, I'm so sorry, but Perth is like pretty miserable right now with weather. Oh no! Makeup. I knew this was going to happen. I am always terrified when you hit pan that you're going to shatter the edges. For mascara, trying out the Total Temptation. I didn't get the waterproof one, thank God. I got the Blackest Black, but I'm going to curl my lashes first. And I forgot to zoom you guys. Well, it's gotten really dark. I forgot to zoom you guys in to do my eyeshadow. I'm so sorry. Gonna use the Rimmel Natural Bronzer. Don't have this, thankfully I checked that. Oh, that smells amazing. Can you even see me in the darkness? For blush, I'm using the L'Oreal Life's a Peach. Smells like peach. I actually really like that. It's really hard to find a nice peachy blush. And some of you are going to be like, have you heard of Too Faced? They're all about peach. I know. For highlight, I'm going to use my Benefit Dandelion. I didn't get a new highlighter because really I don't need another highlighter, and I've got that many and I steered away from it this time. To be fair, I haven't even done my brow bone, so let's just use this. And if I edit this back and it's raining, I am so sorry. I kid you not. Wait, oh, I did get another primer. We'll use that tomorrow. I got 9 lipsticks. There's not enough days in the week to use all them, but got 9. So, to set my face using the NYX Matte Finish, I have been trying to get this for a while since NYX came to Priceline, and like Target always was sold out. And I went to a different Priceline and they had it, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. Wait. So let's just go through all 9 of my lipsticks and lip glosses with you. So Maybelline, I don't know how new they are because like I haven't bought makeup in a while, as I said. Got these new vivid lacquers, not the matte ones, the lacquers. These were so creamy on my hand that I had to get them. So I got 3 shades, so I'm just like lip gloss, yep. And then I was swatching Revlon. Oh, this is gonna be a nightmare to get off. I got the Revlon Hydrating. I got Ultra HD Lip Lacquer in 570. She might want to go to the toilet. I got the Revlon Black Cherry. Right. Insert a clip right here or a picture. When I first started my channel, I was after this shade. I finally got it, Black Cherry. Can't use this, it's a bit too dark. I need to do like a smoky, so can't use that. But I got my Revlon Black Cherry. It was really hard for me to get, I'm not gonna lie. Maybelline 535 Purely Nude. Now I got this because of Nicole Guerrero. She like always uses it, so I was like, I'm gonna use that. And I actually didn't have that color. And then I got finally, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. Oh, they're so pretty. Now I don't know what look I'm going to put on my back's coming off really, oh, it must be this TV. So let's just go for a nude because let's do this one. Actually, let's do a lacquer. Let's just do a straight lacquer. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Too Cute. Oh, they smell nice. I'm just weird. Oh, there she is. Can you see her? Hello, where are you, Bubby? Nope, she's back down by me to see these like ears coming past. Alrighty, so that's the end of this video. I hope, oh, look at her. Whatever. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really didn't do much of a catch up. I'm sorry, but there will be more videos because I'm comfortably set up now. It's all like, when I mean comfortably set up, I mean my setup is actually set up. Does this lip go? I feel like it should have gone darker. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see regular videos. I promise that I mean regular videos. I know I was away, but like there's a video explaining everything. Like, let's not jump into it now because this video is going to be already long. But yes, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Mwah. Thank you for watching.